Looking for the best doorbells to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Eufy Security Video Doorbell Kit. The Eufy wireless doorbell camera impressed us from start to finish with its quick setup, high-quality features, and seamless integration. Installation took less than 30 minutes, including connecting the local storage base, an intuitive, app-guided process that even tech beginners will find straightforward. As an added touch, the base's modern, chime-like sounds when pairing devices were a fun and futuristic bonus. During our 2-week testing period, the 2K high-definition, HD, camera delivered excellent video clarity, capturing a wide field of view. For homes that have doorbells with cameras mounted in a corner, Eufy includes a wedge mount for better angles, which we found helpful in capturing activity around the door. The live feed opened instantly in the app, and the two-way audio quality was crisp, making it easy to interact with visitors or delivery drivers. There are multiple chime options, and we especially like the custom and automated responses that are accessible right in the app. Number 2. Best bang for the buck. The battery-operated doorbell from Tech is a straightforward, budget-friendly option that prioritizes simplicity and functionality. Among all the doorbells we tested, this one had the fastest setup, taking just 5 to 10 minutes. Installation was a breeze. Simply attach the battery-operated doorbell button outside, then plug in the chime wherever you want to hear it inside your home. This model is as bare bones as it gets. There are no video capabilities, smart features, or extra frills, just a single button and a chime. While it lacks advanced functionality, the Tech wireless doorbell delivers on the basics with reliability, making it ideal for anyone who simply wants a bell to ring when there's someone at the door. It has a 1,000-foot operating range, which is impressive for its price point. The wireless doorbell includes a weatherproof transmitter for volume settings and a library of 52 chime options. Number 3. Aosu Wireless Doorbell Camera. The Aosu wireless front door camera offers a smooth, reliable experience with features designed to enhance home security without the need for monthly subscriptions. Installation took us only 20 minutes, thanks to a well-designed app that guides you through every step, whether you choose the wireless setup or the hardwired option for added stability. One unique advantage of the Aosu doorbell is its plug-in chime, which doubles as a Wi-Fi booster. This is a game-changer for homes with weaker Wi-Fi signals near the front door, ensuring seamless connectivity and quick, no-delay access to the live camera feed. Connecting a doorbell with Wi-Fi to a weaker signal can cause signal loss and missed alerts. With a 166-degree field of view, the camera captures a broad area, so you won't miss any details at your doorstep. Plus, Aosu offers free storage for up to 60 days of recordings, eliminating the need for a paid subscription and keeping costs low. Number 4. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell combines a wide 180-degree field of view with crystal-clear HD video quality, delivering a comprehensive look at your doorstep. When we tested it, we appreciated how the Arlo Secure home security app made setup incredibly easy, walking us through the process in just 15 to 20 minutes with clear, step-by-step instructions. Users can choose between battery-powered or wired installation, adding flexibility based on your home's setup. Once installed, connecting to the live feed was seamless, with motion alerts coming through instantly, no delay, unlike some other models. The Arlo app also lets users set custom activity zones, so the camera focuses only on areas that matter, reducing false alarms. For those looking for extra security, Arlo includes a built-in siren that can be activated remotely to deter trespassers, and it integrates smoothly with Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. Number 5. Honeywell Home 9 Series Wireless Doorbell. This impressive wireless doorbell from Honeywell Home has an incredible 5-year battery life, ensuring that it can be used regularly without quickly draining the battery. It comes with all the screws and brackets to install the doorbell system on the wall, but the portable receiver also can be carried and set up on almost any flat surface for users who are regularly moving around the home. The receiver has a range of 450 feet. As long as it stays within this range, it can connect to the doorbell transmitter and chime when the doorbell button is pushed. The wireless doorbell comes with the option to adjust the volume to a maximum level of 90 decibels, or users can simply mute the chime if they don't want to be disturbed. While it includes 8 chimes, there is an option to download MP3 files to create custom doorbell chimes that suit personal tastes.